Hello, welcome to the Earthy's Touch Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're going to make banana berry smoothies.
Banana berry smoothies?
They're my favorite.
Yeah,
I
those
love
sound
smoothies.
good. Felix has never had one before. What is
Really?
in a banana berry smoothie?
Well, today when we make it, we're going to use frozen yogurt. It's a good low-calorie way to make your smoothie thick, kind of like a shake, but a healthier version. It's really good.
Healthy, yeah. Felix loves healthy snacks. Yeah.
Well, that's good. Do you like strawberries? And if you like bananas, then you're in for a treat. You're gonna
Felix
really
loves
like it.
strawberries and bananas.
Well, good. Well, let's get started.
Okay. What do we put in first?
Well, first, I'm just going to put in a cup, one cup,
Okay.
a big scoop
Okay. Big scoop.
of vanilla
Ooh.
frozen yogurt.
Yeah. And you're putting that in the blender.
I'm putting it in a blender.
Okay.
It's a safe kitchen appliance. You'll be
Okay.
okay.
So-
as
so-
long as you put the lid on before you use
Oh,
it.
yeah, because if you don't, Felix learned you make a big mess.
Yes.
Yeah. We don't want the yogurt to get everywhere.
No, and it will.
Yeah. And I don't want you to get the yogurt in your hair, Heather.
I don't either. That would be a
Yeah.
sticky mess.
Yeah.
So you put a cup in there of frozen yogurt.
Uh-huh.
And now I'm going to put in some strawberries.
Oh, yeah.
Just a few.
My favorite.
And you use more if you like them.
Okay.
Less if you
Felix,
don't.
Felix might use more. Yeah.
So would I.
Yeah.
And they're really good for you, and they're in season right now.
Oh.
And I'm going to use a banana. Do you like bananas?
Yeah. Felix loves bananas. I told Heather, remember I told you monkeys eat bananas.
Right.
Yeah.
And do you like monkeys?
Yeah. Felix loves monkeys. They are Felix's favorite animal.
They're
yeah.
my favorite thing to see at the zoo.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put this banana in there, and it's really easy to peel.
Okay.
Anyone could do it.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Felix can use a blender. I've used a blender before. Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy. You can do it.
Okay.
And then all I'm going to add is some cranberry juice.
Oh, okay.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
It gives it some pretty color.
Do you make that from cranberries?
You do.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to put the lid on.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a little loud.
Right. So I'm going to cover my ear. Okay.
Yes, cover your ear.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here I go.
Okay. It's not so loud. It's not so loud anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it?
It's really easy.
Can we try it
Yes,
now?
and I'm going to pour it in a glass.
Oh, okay.
Use any glass you want.
Okay. Ooh, that's a fancy glass head.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And it's pretty. It's good for you. It
Yeah.
gives you some good energy.
Okay.
It's a great after-school snack.
Yeah.
Here you go. And look,
Okay, yeah.
I even have a pink umbrella.
Oh, Heather is so nice to Felix. She puts an umbrella in my drink. Okay, can I try some?
Yeah, try some. What do you think?
Heather, that is the best.
Thank you. And it was really easy too, wasn't it?
Yeah. You just put it in the blender and you mix it and you push the button and now Felix has a good, healthy drink.